tigane nacio riu tukirongoreria ciigie urimi na ni ati kiama kia urimi na kiria gitabaragira mihango ya monanio ma urimi nikio kioikaine ta ASK na makiria ruhonge rwa Nyanza ni makiute ni magicokereirie monanio maya na maria mathiriirie umuthi na magitanyitwo ko makiinikirira muthi wa kiumia. Monanio maya ni ma mbere kuma bururi wa kigomerwo ni murimu wa COVID-19 na kuria muikariri giti wa mwena uyu ni Kefa Onduso na uria niwe urugamiriire monanio maya augite ati monanio maya magitanyitwo ko makiguna arimi na mathomo matiganite na kumateithiriria uria mangiko makiambambatiria na kwagirithia urimi wao.
And I want to encourage our showgoers, our exhibitors, that we are back after a break of 3 years of COVID. Indeed, the COVID pandemic damaged our business and we went into a break of 3 years. Now we are coming back in a very big way with the new technologies, innovations, and our show will be staged from 6th to 9th of July 2023. As you can see, we have started our demo plots. This is a maize that we are now demonstrating. We are also looking at matters of innovation of agriculture. Innovations that we are talking about is where we can raise food without using the fertilizers that we buy from the shops. We can use the manures, as we can see from our demo plots. This is purely manure, purely agri-business. So what we are saying, we are trying to partner with the exhibitors who can be able to train mwananchi in terms of how to get soft loans for farm inputs, and also in terms of how we can make our own compost manures that we can use to plant our crops, so that now we don't go purchasing fertilizers, because if you don't plan very well to farm input, then you always know that your results will not be what you want. So